What's up, you guys? This is your boy JB, aka MyMixEngineer, back with another video. In this video, let's discuss my plugin of the week, and it's plain and simple, hands down. This goes to Tech Evasion T-De-Esser Pro. Put the Pro on it, but they got a regular one that is absolutely free right now. You can go to the website, download it, you can activate it for free. It works great as well. You just minus some features, but let's dive right on it. You would think like it's maybe just a regular de-esser, but the way that they made this, I don't know how they put the old ones and zeros, but however they did it, it doesn't make the vocals sound like they have a lisp. You know, promises. It don't sound like that. It sounds smooth to me, even when you hit it hard. Like some de-essers you can't do that with, but this one you can. So let's take a listen. I have it on this session file right now. I've been using it for over like a month now, and I had to share it with you guys. Take a listen.
Only thing I claim is being centered. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress. Cause who wanna cause problem with a bless? All
right, you hear it, it sounds smooth. I'm getting probably like -7 dB off of it. It's pretty easy. It's straight to it. Again, you can see this is the threshold. You got your output. It's showing you you got your meter in over here, and you can kind of pick what kind of frequency it is. You can see right here in this range, you can actually slide it around and pick what frequency range. That's common for a de-esser. I can go, hey, I want the highs, high end only. I want some of the high mids, which is dope, especially if you don't know. And also you can use this as a key to kind of find out what we mean as low highs and the low mids and so on and so forth. You can kind of find out what the range is, but let's put it back on highs. And so you have the intensity. Intensity would be more like the ratio. The shape, the sharpness is more like the knee. Then you have the attack and release. I don't think you have that in the regular one that you can adjust, but you can adjust the attack and release. You got the look ahead, which actually I like using look ahead because it looks ahead and kind of helps your computer. If your computer can hold up for it, then yeah, you use the look ahead. You got your quality. You can oversample, which I should be doing it right now. You got your mix, so you can parallel it in. Oh, you can put a filter and stuff on it. Okay, that's dope. Okay, so take that off. Basically link your left and right. Bam. And then you can cut off, and then you got some saturation, which is actually dope because now you got a de-esser with some saturation. So let's take a listen. Let's kind of hit it hard just to let you guys hear it.
Only thing I claim is being centered. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress. Cause who wanna cause problem with a bless? I only hang with the real.
Like he don't have a lisp. Like I just took like 18 dB off and it doesn't have a lisp. I love this plugin. It sounds natural. No joke. It sounds natural. Another cool thing about it, cause you know, it's a de-esser. We're not finna go too far. Let's go to, they got some presets over here. Boom. They got warm snare. Of course, I'll try it on some hi-hats for sure. Let's try this warm male vocals.
Only thing I claim is being centered. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress. Cause who wanna cause problem with a bless? I only hang with the real ones, Williams. I know my family love me. And if for life we gotta steal one, kill one, I know my people clutch. But
it sounds good. It sounds real good. Like, and again, it's free. Let me get y'all up my information over there. But it's free. Try it out. And you got some change in your pocket. If you're making money from what you're doing with this, invest in yourself. And when I mean invest in yourself, invest in gear. Invest in what you need to be successful. Don't be afraid. But yeah, back to this. This de-esser is amazing. Remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out. Well, I ain't out. I'm still here with my boy. Replay. Kicking it.